8 of the strangest crabs on Earth. One lives in total darkness. Another wears its own living disguise. Let's meet them. Horseshoe crab. Not actually a crab, it's more closely related to spiders and scorpions, surviving over 1,200 million years, older than dinosaurs. Its unique blue blood detects bacterial toxins so precisely that scientists use it to test vaccines and medical implants worldwide. Vampire crab. Small, freshwater, and strikingly colored, bright yellow eyes against a deep purple body. Native to Southeast Asian forests, it splits its life between land and shallow streams, hiding by day and hunting insects and fruit by night. Coconut crab, the largest land arthropod on Earth, with a claw force strong enough to crack open coconuts and animal bones. It spends nearly its entire adult life on land, climbing palm trees with hooked legs to reach fruit far above ground. Decorator crab. It doesn't just hide, it builds its own disguise. Hooked hairs on its shell let it attach seaweed, sponges, and even stinging anemones, some chosen specifically because predators avoid eating them. A living, walking camouflage garden. Japanese spider crab, the largest arthropod alive by leg span, stretching nearly 15 feet tip to tip. Despite its intimidating size, it's a gentle scavenger, slowly patrolling Japan's deep seafloor, cleaning up dead fish and shellfish rather than hunting. Yeti crab, discovered only in Sevenhid, near deep-sea hydrothermal vents. Its hairy claws host colonies of bacteria it farms for survival, in water shifting from freezing to over 170 Fahrenheit, within feet. One of the ocean's newest true mysteries. Boxer crab. It fights using living weapons, a stinging sea anemone held in each claw like boxing gloves. If it loses one, it can split the remaining anemone in half, regrowing a matching pair. Teamwork built into evolution itself. Fiddler crab. Males carry one giant claw used purely for display, waved in dramatic rituals to attract mates and warn rivals. Rival males may lock claws in a wrestling match, though the goal is rarely injury, just dominance. 8 bizarre survivors, each stranger than the last. Subscribe to Type Wild for more deep dives into the animal kingdom.